Hello, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 4 different transcription job sites that you can apply for and earn a decent income online with these transcription jobs. Be sure to comment below with which one of the 4 transcription job sites you think is the best and why. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on future videos that I upload here, where I show you more great ways of money-making methods online. And stay until the end of this video and I'll reveal what, in my opinion, may be the best out of the 4 transcription jobs that I'm reviewing. However, you can decide that for yourself depending on what you're looking for in the transcription job. Now, you can earn up to $50 for a day typing. It's a great opportunity to work from home, and you can work from anywhere across the world and earn money online. May not be full-time income, but you make enough money to pay off some bills and cover some new expenses. It's all about working from home and making money online. And if this is a skill that you feel like that you have, then stay tuned, as this just may be what you're looking for. There are a lot of different types of job transcription sites that you can look for on the internet. I'm going to show you 4 of some of my favorites and some of the best ones that I've been reviewing. Now, the first company that we are going to be talking about is a website called BeveType.com. Okay, and here we are at BeveType.com. This is the homepage where it's going to show you what they're offering the client. It's a standalone transcription service where one recording is converted into one transcript. They offer 3 different types of format, which is pure speech, pure text, and pure response. Pure speech and pure text are suitable for any type of transcription. Pure response is designed for market research applications involving a clearly defined interviewer or moderator only. It shows you some examples and some formats of what they're expecting. Full content of the recording is captured from beginning to end. All speech is captured exactly as spoken. Active listening is captured, media playback in the recording is captured, and this goes over everything that you can expect of what you should need to be learning should you apply for this company. It describes the resources, the media handling, the English composition, and so forth. Okay, I'm here on where you can actually apply for work on BeveType. You want to join BeveType's team. You can expect that they are always looking for new transcriptionists, editors, and translators to add to their team, and they are very selective. The transcripts they produce are mission-critical parts of market research projects, and completeness, accuracy, and reliability are absolute requirements. Their work requires a very high degree of skill in language, listening ability, and ability to deal with more sophisticated transcript formats. Because of this, they prefer to work regularly with a limited and select team who meet the requirements they need. And to learn more about this potential fit for their work and the work, if it works for you, then you can learn how to apply and see the relevant section below. For English language transcriptionists, start by watching the video below to determine if you are a good fit for them. They have a 32-minute video that you can go through and pretty much will explain everything they're expecting and what you can expect to see if this is a good fit for you or not. For translators, these are the languages that they are taking, all the way from Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and so forth. And then if you want to go ahead, you can send them an email to request their application and test. Now, this is something that you're going to need to do on any one of these transcription sites, just kind of their criteria to see if you have got the potential and the drive and the skills that meet their standard, depending on one from another. Some may be a little bit more strict, and some may be a little bit more easier to get in, more for just complete beginners. But I'm going to go through each and every one of those to see which one that you may want to go through, so you don't feel like you're wasting your time or theirs in going through one of the more ones where they feel like that they want more of a expert level type of transcriptionist. Here we are on the second website called TranscribeMe. It shows us having the best human intelligence, high quality, secure, and affordable data customized for you. It shows you exactly what the client's getting through a transcription, translation, and data annotation. It's got a very high rated customer satisfaction. Been a great experience working with TranscribeMe. Their transcription is the best quality for the cheapest price. So this is a good one probably to go for, because there's different types of services that they offer, so you get a variety of what you're doing. You know that has a high level customer service satisfaction. They probably have a lot more jobs to offer because of that. Different types of services is the transcription, the translation and the data annotation, speech recognition. Their services are the best in class, easy to use, secure and confidential, and of the highest accuracy. They're trusted by partner to hundreds of brands worldwide, as you see here. They harness the power of 1.8 million people to ensure you're receiving the very best. It shows you, again, exactly everything that you're going to be getting. And then if I go to over here, so I'm here on the TranscribeMe registration page. You can create a new account. Here's where they have the opportunity where you can grow professionally, choose your own hours, work location, meet great new friends around the world. And best of all, you can make money every week. Everyone starts off from transcription. And as you get more experience, other positions will become available to you. Once you finish the short registration process, your next step will be to complete their training and exam course. All applicants will successfully pass the training course, will be contacted shortly, and will have paid work available to them. In some cases, you may have to be part of a short wait list as they process your registration. There's no need to look for work as it comes for you. You can transcribe whenever and wherever you want, 24/7. Work as much or as little as you like. Transcribe short 2-4 minute clips, not long interviews. So pretty straightforward method. So that is TranscribeMe.com. Okay, and here we are on the third site called Scribe.com. Here on the home page where it's just showing you the lowest transcription rates per audio minute, what the customer can expect to be paying. Easy to use pay-as-you-go service of how they would upload and import their files and pay the audio time and then check and download the transcript. Again, about confidentiality, 99% accurate and so forth. Actual 4-step manual transcription process that they'll go through. It's good to have an idea of what the customer is actually going to be going through to how you're going to be performing these transcriptions for them. Shows the progress tracking, the free review, group accounts, and account credits. Again, we got some very highly recommended by their customers. So we can tell this is a very good quality service to work for, trusted by these types of companies. And it's letting you know that you can join Scribe as a transcriber, where you can submit your application, take the online test, and earn per audio hour. We got some statistics here about the total minutes transcribed, certified transcribers. Sign up for a newsletter and get a $10 free credit. And I'm going to now come over here to show you. Here's the application page of ScribeMe.com. It's going to give you an overview showing you this is a home-based job. Work at your own convenience. Get paid $5 to $25 for every audio hour. Pay rate is USD. Short files are 10 minutes or less. 2 hours tap for each file. Free automated transcript to save around 60% of your typing effort. So that's good. Promotion to reviewer, self-reviewer, proofreader, QC based on performance. So it shows you the cycle that it goes through from one to the other. Monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. There's no obligations, no monthly commitments or withdrawal limits. They don't assign files. You get to preview and choose the files to work on. I'm going to go over a brief introduction. Scribe.com offers a great opportunity to augment your income by transcribing audio files for them. This work involves listening to audio files and typing it as accurately as possible. You just need to go through the test process and get certified as a transcriber. Once certified, you'll be paid for the files you transcribe on an audio hour basis. For each submission, your Scribe.com account will be credited with the appropriate dollar amount. Your earnings will accumulate and you can transfer it to your PayPal account anytime. From the PayPal account, the funds can then be transferred to your bank account. There's no monthly commitments or minimum withdrawal limits. Payments are made once a day. So that's nice. If you're an experienced transcriber, you have spare time, then Scribe.com can help you fill that up. If you're starting your career as a transcriptionist, then you can gain valuable experience and hone your skills on Scribe.com. Shows you the statistics of how many they've transcribed, requirements, good comprehension of English, ability to interpret conversations, ability to apply context and identify mistakes, a verified PayPal account linked to your bank account or credit card, laptop or desktop computer and internet connection, headphone or headset, in the latest version of Firefox, Chrome, or Safari web browser. Additionally, they are looking for core skill. Additionally, the core skill that they're looking for is the ability to correct manual automated transcripts. Scribe will not be a good fit if you're looking for typing only jobs. They do not accept applications for residents of California, US, and they are not ABS compliant as of now. So that you know, you just need a verified PayPal account, the transcription process of what it goes through, different payments and bonuses, and so on. Here's a good graph to give you a better understanding of how much you can actually make doing this. Now, you can earn from Scribe.com solely depends on your skill and ability. For an average case, if you spent 8 hours each day, 6 days a week on Scribe.com, the following will be your earnings. Assignment type for only transcription, potential monthly earnings is $200 to $300. Transcription reviews, $300 to $500. Transcription reviews and proofreading, $500 to $700. And transcription reviews, proofreading, and quality control, $700 to $1,000. If you spend lesser time, then your earnings would be proportionally lower. Conversely, if you have the skills and are able to pick up the work, your earnings can be double the amount as listed. There are very conservative estimates and only applicable for the average case. Please note that the above provided solely for the purpose of illustration and estimation. To get started, you click on the Apply tab, submit your application to start. Please make sure to satisfy all the requirements before applying. For any questions, please check your frequently asked questions and contact them via email. So that is Scribe.com. Okay, so here we are on the fourth one, and the one that I had previously mentioned of what my opinion, think may be the best. So let's go through this one. It is stating the last transcription provider you'll ever need. There's a video you can go ahead and watch and get some more information on it. Transcription services. Welcome to 188 TypeItUp is what it's called. We are proud to provide one of the leading and most trusted transcription services tailored for virtually any company or individual with audio or video to transcribe. Handmade in the USA. 1888 TypeItUp transcripts deliver the quality and accuracy that businesses and consumers love. If you are in need of transcription services, the 188 TypeItUp can bring your words together so you can bring your ideas to life. 24/7 live chat and phone support. You can rest assured with quick response time and help your start projects and obtain quotes instantly. And like other transcription companies that outsource their work overseas and or impose slave labor transcription wages, 1888 TypeItUp commits itself to 100% US-based transcription that guarantees far greater accuracy and security as well as a healthier economy. So that's just good to know the quality and level of service that they have in comparisons to maybe some of the other ones. It's completely 100% US based. Superior quality, enhanced security, and US job creation. Also offers a customer a free trial, and it shows more of their clients that they're talking about and the incredible 5-star reviews that they have throughout. Excellent transcription of a poorly readable PDF image document, one time as they stated. Amazing customer service and quick turnaround time. Prices are fair. I would use them again. Great customer service delivered for the price. Accurate translation and on time. What more can you ask for? And so on. So you can expect this is the type of company that is going to probably be very strict in their application process. But to help you through that, you can let them know that this is kind of something that you would have to go through and work on. As far as your verbatim skills, edited, summarized transcriptions, speaker tracking, identification, live post-production, note-taking at its finest, and award-winning 24/7 support. Like I said, 100% US-based as always. So here I am on the 188 TypeItUp.com application page. What I like about this one too is that it gives you a free resume template and samples, formatting, and resume builder. There is some things to consider for this particular website. They're letting you know up front, please do not call regarding your application. Any call from an applicant will result in an immediate dismissal of his or her job application. We must keep our phone lines open for their clients, and applicants may contact us via email or live chat if necessary. Another thing to be aware of is once you submit your job application, the payment page will appear. You'll be able to enter your payment information for the entrance exam fee. Once you submit your payment or website, their website will redirect you to downloading the exam materials. If you're not able to download the files, please email them as here, or they show here, and they will reply with the download link. If you experience technical difficulties with the job application below, you may also access the job application with this external link. Gives you that it states here that it's a non-refundable policy. Please note there is a non-refundable entrance exam fee of $59, which includes a 1-month processing time for exam results. And this fee is similar to a fee you'd pay for a GRE or SAT, and is similar to an application fee that you would pay to apply at a college or university. It goes on to let you know why they're now charging this entrance exam fee with applicants. If they do not submit the entrance exam fee, you will not be approved. For no additional charge, standard processing time of exam results is 1 month. Rush processing of exam results is available for an additional charge, plus $140 for 9-hour processing or a $40 for 1 week processing. Rush processing fees are non-refundable, meaning no refunds whatsoever for any reason. Even if you change your mind immediately after applying, processing times begin once you submit your completed entrance exam, not your application. So it just gives you more information in that regard about this. I like that they are being transparent. They give you different selections of what you can choose. If you would like a 1-month processing fee for no additional charge, so you can cut down those costs depending on how fast you would like them to process your application. Goes over all the information that they're expecting you to fill out, which is actually pretty straightforward. You can indicate your hours, so that's good, and kind of have that preferential treatment of how often and when you want to work, and so forth. So that is a TypeItUp service. And that is the end of my review. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. See you, bye. So yeah, and I'm going to go over here and show you the